want to wind out, I want to leave this mind and shout I've lived. Hi, this is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this video lesson, how to play Can't Keep, the first track off of Eddie Vedder's ukulele songs, on, of course, ukulele. This song doesn't really use traditional ukulele chords, so we're going to think about it in patterns. There are graphic representations of the patterns below, but in general, you're going to put these two fingers on the 5th fret, 1st string, and 3rd string. So your middle finger is on the 1st string, 5th fret, and your ring finger is on the 3rd string, 5th fret also. And you're going to lay this over for the scratch. And then when you start, it's just kind of a drone with just those two fingers. And then the little chord melody plays is going to be with your pinky on the 6th fret and your first finger on the 4th fret. So it's kind of like down, pinky, first, open, pinky. And with your hand just strumming a steady 16th notes, I'm using my fingernails. I'm not sure what he does. He hasn't videoed this one yet, but I think it gives it that sharper, brighter sound that he's getting it. Okay, and this is the pattern you're going to play over the first two lines of the lyrics. The second two lines of the lyrics, you're going to go to pattern 2, which is your ring finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and then you're just going to work your way down that 2nd string. So pinky on the 4th, and I'm using my middle finger to reach across on the 3rd fret. Slide it down to 2nd fret, 1st fret, and you're done with the 3rd and 4th line. And pattern 3, you're going to leave that finger there. Actually, it's a little bit easier if you switch to your middle finger. And you're kind of playing a chord melody that goes along with the lyrics. I won't live forever on the 1st string. Open 2nd fret, 4th fret. You go up to your pinky at the end of it when you're holding at the key. The back to pattern 1. Me. Strumming away furiously with your fingernails on this hand. The 3rd verse repeats, obviously. The whoa whoa is pretty much pattern 1. So there you have it. Can't Keep by Eddie Vedder in 3 patterns on the ukulele. Good luck singing this song. That's the challenge to me. Mr. Vedder really cuts loose and shows his vocal talent on this. Then again, how many songs do you get to do that are this raucous on a ukulele? Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been Can't Keep by Eddie Vedder on the ukulele. Thank you for watching.